Mary, table 5 is here again.
The man in the blue jacket?
Yes, this is his 4th time this week.
Wow. Does he always order the same thing?
Always. Soup, bread, and water. Nothing else.
That's strange. Maybe he likes our soup.
Maybe, but today he asked to speak with the chef.
The chef? Why?
I don't know. He said it's important.
Okay, I will go talk to him first.
Good idea. I'll bring him some water.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Mary. Can I help you?
Here is your water, sir.
He says he wants to write about our restaurant.
Right? Is he a food critic?
Yes, he works for a food magazine.
Oh no. Is the soup good today?
He says it's the best soup in the city.
Really? That's great news.
He wants to come back next week for an interview.
We need to tell the chef right now.
Yes, let's go. Today was a big day.